You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names correctly once and for all. Yes, I know the spelling makes it confusing, more confusing than it needs to be, but let's break down the pronunciation. You learn how to say it. Courtney. Alright, so yes, I know it's spelled as court, but it's pronounced court, okay? So just ignore the U, essentially. Courtney, okay? Then it's N-E-Y, but it's not nay, it's knee. The stress is on the first syllable. In British English, in the UK, Courtney, or in American English, Courtney. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.